Let's create the ultimate bronzy summer glow. It is effortless, radiant, and heat-proof. Hi, I'm Angie and welcome back to my channel. Starting off with a lightweight skin tint to even out my complexion. It gives a nice sheer base without feeling heavy. Next, I go in with concealer to cover any acne marks, then add a little bit under my eyes and around my smile lines for a brighter and smooth finish. For blush, I'm using Rare Beauty on my cheeks, the tip of my nose, and even a little bit on my chin. It gives such a youthful and fresh flush. Then I set everything lightly with powder to lock it in, while keeping that natural glow. Now, for brows, I fluff them up with brow wax first to get that soft, lifted shape. Then I define them and set them with a brow gel so they stay in place all day long. To softly sculpt, I use Hoola bronzer on my nose, building it up slowly so it looks super natural. I also use Hoola bronzer as a base shadow and to warm up my cheeks and jawline for that sun-kissed definition. Then I layer on some powder blush and blend it into the bronzer to tie everything together. For eyes, I mix peachy and light brown shadow and blend it across the lids. Then I go in with a dark brown shimmer for a soft, glowy depth. I highlight my inner corners, nose bridge and tip of my nose, also brow bone and cheekbones to really bring that golden summer light. Next, I line my eyes off camera, then curl my lashes and add mascara to open my eyes. I also add a pop of highlighter on the lower lash to keep everything bright and awake. A little bit blush on the nose bridge to give that sun-kissed vibe. Finally, for the lips, I contour my Cupid's bow, line my lips and dab a red tint in the center for the natural plump finish. And that's the full summer bronze look. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more glow up looks. Bye!